it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today guys, I've got for you the unboxing of this month's Lookfantastic beauty box. We're unboxing March's Lookfantastic beauty box. Can you believe we're at March already? February seems to have flown by. So, in case you don't know, Lookfantastic is a beauty subscription box. Each month we get 6 beauty products in there, be it skincare, makeup, little pampery treats. Tends to be quite skincare heavy. There are 4 different options for you to subscribe. You can either subscribe a month at a time, which will cost you £15, or you can subscribe for 3 months, which will cost you £14.50 per month, or 6 months, which is £13.75 per month, or the one that I'm on is a 12-month subscription, which means I pay just £13 per month. So everything always works out an absolute bargain. So I haven't opened it yet, so without further ado, let's open it together and see what this month's box is. I don't believe I've seen the box design, and I think possibly the sneak peek was a hair mask, but I'm not 100% sure. Ooh! Let me show you the box, it's exciting. Look at this. How stunning is that box? Look. Wow. Gorgeous. And it's hot pink on the back. So it says Beauty Beyond Boundaries, which I'm guessing is this month's theme. How fantastic. Okay, cool. Let's open it up and see what's inside. So we should get a little booklet that tells us about the products, as well as it has some other articles and bits and bobs in there. So let's take a little look. Oh, I usually give you a little sneak peek of the product. Okay, so a very quick sneak peek at what we get. Oh, and I almost forgot the little writing on the box. It says, "There is no force more powerful than a woman determined to rise." So I'm guessing it's all about beauty empowerment and stuff, which is nice. So we don't really get a write-up about the box anymore. We tend to get more of a kind of little write-up about, it's like an editor's note. But it definitely looks like this is about empowering women and real beauty and things. So let's take a little look at the products one by one then, and we will see what we get. So excited. I really am excited. I don't know why. So the first product we get this month then is from Ahava, and it is a mineral mud soap from the Dead Sea. I had, what was it, a body cream from Ahava before, and it's beautiful. I really, really, really like it. I'm not a soap user, but let's see what it says. So, a purifying soap suitable for use on both the face and the body. It's formulated to wash away dirt and impurities without stripping your skin of its necessary moisture. It says you just work it into a luxurious lather and massage over your face and body and then rinse thoroughly. Like I said, I'm not a soap fan. Doesn't smell in particular. It is only a little soap. Chris uses a lot of soap, so I might see if he fancies that one. But the brand, like I said, I've had something from them before, which I think came from Lookfantastic, and I really liked it. So it's probably a very good soap. Next, we have a product from Brushworks. And it is, what is it? It is a double-ended brow brush. Okie dokie. So it says it's a dual-ended eyebrow brush to help you achieve the perfect brow with every use. The angled brush works well with both cream and powder products to help you create your natural brushstroke hairs, whilst the spoolie end is great to brush through any product and create a fluffy, more feathered look. Okay, so I'm just going to have a little look at it. The one I use currently is an Anastasia one, which is fabulous. I use their dip brow usually to just fill in some areas on my brows that need doing. I've broken the box already. Good start. Already I can see the tiniest couple of hairs that are a little bit longer than the rest of them, which is annoying. But Brushworks are genuinely a fantastic brand. I've had some amazing products from them. But no, that'll be decent, and I'm sure I might trim that little hair. I think it's like 2 or 3 clumped together. But no, it's a useful thing to have, and I'm always happy to get makeup brushes and things in these boxes because I use a lot. I don't like cleaning them very often, so it is always nice to kind of have backup products and things. So our third product is from Lottie London, and it is their AM to PM retractable eyeliner. Lottie London, I do really, really like them as a brand. I have, well, my very favourite setting powder is from Lottie London. It's their Ready Set Go. I've had lip liners and things from them which are fab, so I'm not in need of an eyeliner, I will be honest. We get a lot in these subscription boxes, but Lottie London's a good brand. So let's just see what it says. So, a pencil eyeliner with a gel finish to add drama and definition to your eye makeup look. With a formula that will glide effortlessly over the eyes, avoiding any pull or discomfort, it's complete with a retractable sharpener. Ooh. Guessing that must come in the lid or something. Anyway, that's our third product. Our fourth product, I believe this was the sneak peek we got. It's from Christopher Robin, and it is their, Christophe Robin, sorry. And it is their regenerating mask with rare prickly pear seed oil, which I believe is for your hair. It's a very little pot for being for your hair. I like to slather a mask on, really do. So the write-up on this says, a revitalizing hair treatment, perfect for dry and damaged hair. It's full of antioxidants and regenerative properties that penetrate your hair and scalp, protecting your hair from split ends and breakage, as well as treating coloured hair by restoring the pigment to leave it looking vibrant and healthy. And it has rare prickly pear seed oil and inula flower extract. So yeah, there's not an awful lot in there considering the amount of hair I've had. But a mask is useful. I haven't had a haircut in just over a year now, which is insane. Ooh, it smells quite nice. But like I say, yeah, there's not an awful lot in there. That's going to be like a use for me and the amount of hair I have. But a hair mask's a nice one to have. It's always a good treat. I tend to do mine when I'm in the bath and make like a thing of it. So hopefully that'll be a nice one. Okay, so our fifth product this month is an either or product. They are both from First Aid Beauty. I've had some bits and bobs from them that I've really liked. So you either get a coconut water cream or some facial radiance pads. I have the coconut water cream, which I'm glad about because I actually have the facial pads in my ensuite bathroom. I haven't used them yet, so probably about time I do. But now I can use it in conjunction with this, I suppose. So what is it? Let's have a look. A lightweight, fast-absorbing facial moisturiser that will infuse your skin with electrolytes, amino acids, and phytonutrients to refresh your complexion and restore its radiant glow. The rejuvenating cream will also deliver long-lasting hydration whilst plumping out your skin for a more youthful complexion. You just apply a pea-sized amount to dry cleansed skin and massage until fully absorbed. Yeah, no, I'll be glad to try that. I've had a product from First Aid Beauty before. I believe it was a tinted SPF and it was perfect for like summer, just going out to walk the dog, popped a bit of that on. Felt like I had a bit of something on my face, so I wasn't barefaced, had a bit of protection, and it was lovely. Really liked it, so I would be happy to try this. I'm always up for new moisturisers and things, so happy days. Product number 6 this month then is from Bloom and Blossom, and it is their Wonder Worker Multitasking Balm. Okay, so what is it? Let's see. A versatile skin-loving Wonder Balm filled with a blend of nourishing ingredients to condition and hydrate your skin, whether you're suffering from chapped lips, dry hands, or have a little one in need of some soothing. This natural balm can help. Rich in anti-inflammatory properties to protect, condition, and even treat the most delicate of skin. So in there it's got castor seed oil, lavender oil, olive fruit oil, vitamin E, shea butter. So a lot of nice things, and then you can just kind of pour it wherever. It's amazing. I have very dry hands at the minute. Winter is still upon us, and you know, we get dry lips and things often, so something like this is super duper useful. It says on the back, keys, phone, Wonder Worker. So you're leaving your house, don't leave without it. I quite like that. No, I'll definitely come in handy, to be honest, definitely. And this month we get a 7th product. Amazing. And it's from Paula. I love Paula. Everything I've tried from them, really, really enjoyed. So I'm excited. So what's this one? A cooling treatment that will leave your skin feeling hydrated and refreshed. Combining 3 active ingredients, this face mask nourishes your complexion by warding off dryness and dehydration. Its uplifting scent will also revitalise your senses. So it's got in there iceberg water, hyaluronic acid, and oh my god, I'm never going to be able to pronounce this one. Thalassiosira. Antarctica. I don't know. The beauty of Paula products is they take all of their kind of ingredients, come from like the Arctic and things. It's an amazing brand. So you just pop this on slightly damp skin after your bath and shower, and then massage till absorbed. Apparently, I thought it said mask. Moisturising cream. Okay, so it's just a moisturising cream. That made it sound like it was a mask. Yeah, this face mask. So I'm guessing it's kind of like a leave-on mask, maybe. It's definitely described itself as a moisturiser. I don't know why that's describing it as a mask, but lovely. A great one. Okay then guys, that's all our products this month. Okay, so these are the products we've got in March's beauty box. I'm really pleased with that actually. You might say there's a lot of small products in there, but to be fair, we've got an extra one and we've got some good brands, so I'm quite happy. So we have in there the Ahava Soap. It's not something that's particularly useful for me, really, and the soap, but the brand I've tried before is really nice, and you know, it's made from Dead Sea mud, so it's probably a really nice soap. Then we have the Brushworks eyebrow brush. Again, always useful, like I say, to have brushes, just really is. Then we've got Lottie London eyeliner. Not in need of an eyeliner. I tend to find a lot of these boxes are quite heavy on eyeliner, so I do have a stash. But Lottie London, a great brand, so something from them is very nice. The hair mask, like I say, that one is small. It's not a brand I really know, but hair mask is a great beauty treat. It really is. So hopefully I'll try that on my hair. Then we have the Wonder Balm. That sounds very nice. Yeah, useful for this kind of drying time of year. The coconut water cream from First Aid Beauty, a really nice brand, and I'm always open to trying new moisturisers. I've discovered quite a few brilliant moisturisers from these beauty boxes previously, so that's a nice one. And another one, Paula, a fantastic brand. Really excited to have this. So a nice little box this month. Okay then, so before I leave you, I'm going to show you the sneak peek in the back of the booklet for next month's box. So if you don't want to know what it is, look away now because I'm just about to spoil it. Okay, so next month we have a product from Avant. I hadn't heard of Avant prior to these beauty boxes, but I've had several products now, and I have to say, I have thoroughly enjoyed all of them. I really liked them. I've actually used their eye cream and a moisturiser today. Really like them. So what have we got? Let's see. We have an Avant Pink Orchid Subtle Restoring Overnight Serum. It says it's formulated to support skin when it's at its most susceptible to treatment, so nighttime. This overnight facial serum helps hydrate and combat signs of stress and fatigue. Some things I could definitely do with combating. Pink Orchid is an ingredient that improves skin's elasticity and plumps out fine lines and wrinkles for a more youthful appearance with regular use. So I am looking forward to next month's box. That's great. Like I said, I hadn't heard of Avant, and the prices are a little crazy. This one's apparently £92, and I probably wouldn't pay that, but I do really like the products, so I'm excited for next month's box, definitely. Okie dokie then guys, that is this month's unboxing of Lookfantastic's beauty box. I'm really pleased with it. Let me know what you guys think. Drop me a comment. Are you happy? Do you subscribe? Are you happy that you're a subscriber? If you're not a subscriber, does this make you want to subscribe? Drop me a comment, let me know what you think. Which is your favourite product this month? Just let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. That would be great. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, because I do an unboxing of this every month. I have a glossy box ready and waiting to unbox also, so that will be coming soon. Got a super drug haul coming, various other bits and bobs, so make sure you stick around. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.